Hey everyone, Ian here, Manderscheid Media. No, there's no cars behind me, but there will be at some point very, very soon. We're at 2634 Faithful Avenue, the new home of Riv's Classic Car Toy Box, along with conglomeration here with Manderscheid Media. We are super excited to be able to bring to you now restoration parts, vintage vehicle repair, storage, and sales. So we are ready and chomping at the bit here to help Western Canada find. We want to be that helpfulness here to get your classics up and running. And our cruising seasons are short, so we want to make sure that we can utilize them as best as possible, and that's what we're here for. So information coming soon. Take care. But yes, we are. We're growing. Can't wait for it. Take care. Bye for now.